Hi mamas, I'm Shen and welcome to my channel at Mama Banana. I hope everybody is staying safe in the midst of this pandemic. So today I want to show you how I pack up my COVID-19 sanitizing disinfecting kit, which I bring out with me every time I leave the house now. And I am currently using the Bumco diaper and clutch, which is absolutely perfect because they have the wipes pouch on the outside, so you don't need to root around the inside of the bag. Alright, so let's get straight into this video, and then if you watch till the end I will show you how to turn any hand sanitizer into a portable clippable hand sanitizer for your bag. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. So here I have the Bumco Baby diaper and clutch, and I absolutely love this anyway, but it is perfect for use even more so at the moment. Alright, to keep everything sanitary and clean. So inside the wipes pouch here I have packed it up with Dettol wipes. Alright, I have a mark here so that I'd never make the mistake of using this on any of my children's bum, but you wouldn't make that mistake anyway because obviously there is a strong smell. So this is the disinfectant wipes I had, and I was lucky that I happened to have purchased a large pack of these just before the pandemic. And then on the inside then I just have my usual little mammy pouch, snacks. I have packet tissues which is opened already, so that is very easy for me to grab, so I don't really have to touch anything within the bag, just get a bit of tissue. I usually actually have the first tissue half out. Okay, and then in the back is probably where I would put my phone if I'm not wearing jeans with pockets. And then at the side here I have a Biba pacifier mini pouch. Okay, and inside I have disposable gloves. Okay, so that's for when we're out and about. And then here I have a little hand sanitizer, and I'll quickly show you how I turn this into a clippable hand sanitizer. So I cut off a tab of clear duct tape, but you can use any type of tape that you want. And then I folded that in half and I stuck it onto my little hand sanitizer. And then I used a corn on the cob little pokey thing to poke a hole in it. And you just need to make sure that you don't use something like scissors. You need to use something rounded. If you use something like scissors, that hole won't be perfectly circular, so when you attach something to it, it will pull and tear. Okay. And then I just threaded a little jump ring through, so I have a couple of these spare lying around the house. And then I attach a little carabiner clip to it so you can attach that onto your handbag. And it is as simple as that. So I hope you enjoyed today's really short video. But I absolutely love using the Bumco diaper and clutch. I don't have this packed up as a diaper pouch at the moment. It is my disinfecting sanitary kit for when we are out and about with the kids now. So until the next video, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week. So until next video, thank you and goodbye.